In this video, we'll look at how to restrict access to the mini app in Telegram. But first we need to create a Telegram bot and connect it to the PuzzleBot service. You can read the detailed instructions at the link in the description. First of all, we need to add a bot to the resource. To do this, let's open the settings of our resource. Click on Manage Group or Channel, select Administrators, click on the Add Administrator button, and type in the name of our bot. Invite the bot to this resource and give it all administrator rights, including the last one. This is necessary for the bot to be able to invite a user bot, which will perform all actions unavailable to the usual bot. Let's save the changes. Now we need to write any messages to the resource. We can immediately delete it. Let's go to our personal account and select the bot. Click on the Add a Resource button and the channel appeared. Great, let's move on to configuration of the bot. Let's select the Constructor tab. First we need to create a group where the main mini app will be located. To do this, click on the Create a Group button. Give it a name and save it. Let's go to it. Open the settings. Here in the item Check-in Resource subscription, we need to select our connected resource. Let's save. Now let's move on to creating the mini app. We'll design it as we need it. Only those users who are subscribed to the necessary resource will have access to this app. Let's save and publish the changes. Let's go back to the main group of comments. We'll add one more mini app. Give it a name. Let's also add a text block and fill it in. Also add and fill in the title block. Let's add a block with a keyboard. Give a name to the button. In the actions, let's select Link Mini App. And insert a link to our resource. Save. Leave strings in the keyboard type. Let's add another keyboard. Give it a name. In the action, select Go to Mini App. And enter the name of a mini app from another group. Let's expand the advanced settings. Click on the Show pop-up button and write that the user is not subscribed to our resource. Let's save. Leave the keyboard type strings. We'll add and fill in the title. So when a user clicks on the subscribe button, he will be redirected to our channel. Further, if he is subscribed, he will have access to the functionality of a special mini-app. If the user hasn't subscribed to the resource, a pop-up with a reminder to subscribe will appear. Let's go to the start command. Add a text block and fill it in. Let's add an inline keyboard. Enter a name for the button. Now let's choose the action Go to Mini App and write the name of our main mini app. Save and publish the changes. Let's test the bot in Telegram. Send the start command. Go to the mini app by clicking the button. Let's try to go to the mini app without having a subscription. The pop-up tells you that you need to subscribe to our channel first. Subscribe to the channel by clicking on the button. Now let's go back and click on the button with the special mini app. Great, everything's working correctly. This is how I learned how to restrict access to the mini app in Telegram.